Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to Creative PD, and today we're gonna mine some Bitcoin on Android. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the link given in the description below in your browser. Now once you are here, click on Get It on Google Play to open the link in the Play Store. Install the application. Once it has been installed, go ahead and open the app. You can skip this part because we don't want to make this browser default. We will just use it for mining purpose. Click on this little CryptoTab icon here at the bottom. Click on CryptoTab dashboard. And it will require you to open an account, so go ahead and sign up with Google. Here, click on Enable Mining. Once you click Enable Mining, you can actually see that it will prompt you to either install a VPN or get a pro account. We don't want to get a pro account because, why spend money? So we'll go ahead and install VPN, but don't worry, you don't need to use it, you just need to keep it installed. So we'll just go ahead and install the VPN. Now come back, don't open the VPN, we don't need to open the VPN. Come back here and click on Enable Mining, and that's basically it, right? So the best thing about it is it is cloud mining, so you don't have to use your phone resources. It won't use your memory or CPU, it's just cloud mining, so you can go ahead and close this application, right? And if you need more speed, what you can do is you can actually pay to get higher, you can actually pay to get Cloud Boost so that you can get a higher hashing speed. Yeah, you can go ahead and try this. That's up to you actually. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Do like this video and subscribe to stay connected. See you in the next video.